So the other thing I wanted to show you is what items you want to have prepared to do the Socratic seminar. And then we're going to preview just two of the other items we'll be using as we work through the seminar. Okay, so things that you should already have. And I'll give you time when we get started in class to open these up, because I imagine just like you would have different papers with you if we were in class, you're going to want to have different tabs open like I have at the top here. Okay, so one of the things that you're definitely going to want to have in front of you is your article. Mine's not annotated, but yours should be. So you would have your annotated article up on one of your tabs. You also have several questions that you prepared to bring to the discussion. So that would be another tab I would have open so that you're ready to go with sharing out 1 or 2 or 5 of your questions. After today, you should have 3 quotes that you've pulled directly from the text. You've cited the paragraph number and you've thought a little bit about it, so you could read some of this off during the Socratic seminar. And then we'll talk about this a little bit more tomorrow, but as a team, so the 3 of you, the pilot and the 2 co-pilots, are going to be in charge of doing an observer's report. And this is a bit different for those of you that have done Socratic seminar with me before, because normally in class you're just observing and I can watch you observe, but obviously through the computer that's a lot trickier. So you and your team are going to have this report to fill out together, where you're going to capture some of the questions that are raised during the discussion, where you're going to type some of the answers that you hear your peers share out, and then you'll have a chance to meet as a team to discuss the responses in the question and anything that came to mind as that part of the discussion was happening. Okay, and this will be a team document that you'll fill out as the seminar is happening. But you'll only work on this when you are in the co-pilot position. When you're a pilot and in the middle of the discussion, you're not going to have to worry about capturing these ideas. And then the last thing I want to show you is then on Friday, you will have a self-evaluation to complete. So you can start, already thinking about these are some of the things that you're going to reflect on. Like, were you satisfied with your participation, right? Or would you change anything? Or were you fully prepared? So there's a number of statements here that you'll need to evaluate, and then you can explain on a couple of them. And then you'll also need to reflect on your favorite part of the seminar, your least favorite part, and how you would better prepare for our next one. Okay, so again, we'll talk about some of this tomorrow, but I just wanted to plant the seed now because I do want to get into the discussion as quickly as possible, because the more you guys are able to talk and raise questions and have a discussion, the better it's going to be to increase your understanding, and also it will reflect better when I have to evaluate you on your discussion. Okay, so I look forward to seeing everybody tomorrow, and as always, email me with questions, but otherwise have a great rest of your day, and don't forget to complete the survey that should be right underneath where you're watching this video.